Okay guys, I'm playing another Guess What the Heck Is It with my family. And before we go to that video, can you guess what this is? What will you use this for? Can you guess what it is? Okay, here's my family guessing what it is. Hey, can you guess what that's for?
Is this for an animal?
No. Okay, play it too.
Wait, no, I haven't guessed it. Okay, so it's like a cat groom. It's like a groomer.
No. Next. What do you think it is? Please speak loud.
So I would say, since we're following the other item, that it's like a cat scratcher.
No. Next player.
This doesn't involve with
Loud
an
enough so
animal.
you can guess it.
Ooh, is it for like holding on to stuff in the kitchen?
No. Next player.
You want me to put it on right away?
You're gonna put it on. You should put it on before you guess it.
That's what I'm
Can you guess what that is?
saying.
You know, what I thought everybody would guess right away, I guess I was totally wrong. Because I did the video under the idea that you would guess it. But
Surprisingly, this goes actually.
Nothing?
I'll
Come on, hurry up.
keep this thing.
Okay,
Oh, it goes back
Give
to
me.
me.
next player. So nobody can guess it? You want me to
wait,
give a
wait,
hint?
wait, wait,
Yeah.
Hold on.
yes.
You want me to give a hint?
Yes.
Okay. You use it outside. Here. Can you guess what this is?
Is
You use
this
it outside.
is this to scrape the grass?
You're close. Very
Scare
good.
off,
Scrape
scare off
something?
wild animals.
Scrape something. You good. You guys seem good. Nothing?
I know.
Okay.
Can I try?
So we're gonna go with player 2 because you can't. Do you know? She's close. Okay, player 2.
Well, player 1 I think is very close, and I think it's like a something to grab weeds or grab the dirt out when you're gardening.
Yes, not weeds. It's just a gardening tool.
Okay.
It allows you to get in nice and dirty in the dirt when you're planting plants or anything. You're able to get in there and scrape it instead of doing it with your fingers.
But it would also.
That's what it was for. But I guess you could groom
or
cats with it too.
Yeah, scratch a cat or a dog.
I was
or your
thinking
dog.
something more weird. I was thinking it's gonna be some weird thing. Yeah.
I wouldn't have the kids here if that was the case. That was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for everything you do. Everybody keep safe. Thank you. Bye.